glued.
I would imagine
I'm not quite to the layer.
it's probably got that thing glued now. Yeah. Knowing him.
I don't want to use that on there. Yeah, well, 20% helps rip down, so right.
Yeah, I used to read books and do my homework walking home from the bus stop. Holy crap. Walk in the sliding door, but I cut through a couple of yards. Walk in there and get bumped in the head.
The frame up underneath here. We both took a look at it and it looks fine. So basically once I patch all this wood in, this would be a lot more solid. It's just that one edge right there.
It looks like it's got it.